Alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you? This is our first video after Bakrid vacation. We were reading a speech of Abdullah bin Zubair when he came back from Africa victory. After conquering Africa, when he came to Medina, he delivered a speech in front of people of Medina and Uthman bin Affan radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So this is the first video after Bakrid vacation. Let us start and come to the point. He was speaking, ثم دعوناهم إلى الإسلام والدخول فيه. Then we call them to Islam and we appeal them to enter in in the religion Islam. فَعْبَدُوا مِنْهُ. Then they hated it and they kept distance from Islam, means they refused to be Muslim. فَسَأَلْنَاهُمُ الْجِزْيَةَ عَنْ صِغَارٍ. Then we said, then you have to pay tax tribute as a cheap person. You are cheap because you are not Muslim. So you have to pay tax as a cheap. أو الصلحة فكانت هذه أبعد. Then we said you had to give tax, you had to pay tax, or you had to make reconciliation. Reconciliation means Trinity, Sulah, Trinity. Then you have to make Trinity, Muahida, promise. That time it was more hated, means they refused it, and it was utmost. فأقمنا عليهم ثلاث عشرة ليلة. Then we kept calling them to Islam till 13 nights. نتأناهم وتختلف رسلنا إليهم. We were protruding and means we were going to them, and our messengers were going to them to call them and to appeal them to enter Islam. فَلَمَّا يَئِسَ مِنْهُمْ قَامَ خَطِيبًا. When our leader, our commando, get upset, means they refuse to be Muslim, that time he stood among us as a speaker. فَحَمِدَ اللَّهَ وَأَثْنَى عَلَيْهِ. Then he made praise of Allah and he made sana upon Allah. وَذَكَرَ فَضْلَ الْجِهَادِ. Then he described the fort of jihad, greatness of jihad. وَمَا لِصَاحِبِهِ إِذَا صَبَرَ وَاحْتَسَبَ. And what وَمَا لِصَاحِبِهِ إِذَا صَبَرَ وَاحْتَسَبَ. And what a warrior, what a mujahid will get if he show his patience and he show his calculation, means he calculate his deeds for jihad. Summa nahilna ila aduwina. Then we went to, means we stand for jihad, for battle with our enemies. وَقَاتَلْنَاهُمْ أَشَدَّ الْقِتَالِ. And we made a stronger fight with them. يَوْمَنَ ذَلِكَ, that time. وَقَاتَلْنَاهُمْ أَشَدَّ الْقِتَالِ يَوْمَنَ ذَلِكَ. And that day we made a stronger fight. We fought with them very hard. وَصَبَرَ فِيهِ الْفَرِيقَانِ. That day, in that war, both of warriors showed their patience. فَكَانَتْ بَيْنَنَا وَبَيْنَهُمْ قَتْلَى كَثِيرَةً. So that time, that day, there were many dead bodies of our dead bodies. وَاسْتَشْهَدَ اللَّهُ فِيهِمْ رِجَالًا مِنَ الْمُسْلِمِينَ. And many Muslims person got shahadat that day.